In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how the My Schedule function of the Knox service keeps you organized. So the first thing we're going to do is click on My Schedule. It's going to open up a page that looks like this. Now here, all the showing requests that you've made are broken down by the days of the week and color-coded depending on their status. Red means the showing has been non-confirmed, green means that it's been confirmed, and white means that it's a group showing, and I'll show you how to deal with those later. Now the way the Knox service knows if a showing has been confirmed or non-confirmed is because we have a special algorithm that plugs in with your Google inbox, and it pulls all the confirmations and non-confirmations and stores and displays them inside of the app. Let's take a look at a confirmed showing. If I click on it, it's going to open up the showing page. Now here you see you have the showing instructions neatly placed inside of the page. Down here you have a button called the listing info, and this is very useful. If you click on it, it's going to open up the real MLS broker full, and this is going to save you a ton of time. If we go back here, there's a history button, and if you click on it, it shows the whole history of the back end, how this showing has been handled by the assistant. So you can see that the showing has been requested at 6:35 p.m. It was claimed by our assistant at 6:37. He called it in at 6:39, and at 7:18 you received the confirmation, so it was updated to confirmed, and then obviously it was confirmed inside of the app. So we're going to go back. Group showing, if you click on it, it breaks it down into each specific unit that you've requested in their chronological order. So if you remember in the other tutorial that I showed you, all the showings were showing 4 p.m. Well, now that the assistant has had a chance to organize them, they're organized. So if you take a look, the first one's going to start at 4 p.m., the second one's going to start at 4:30, and the last one's going to start at 4:45. And this is based on the distance and the showing time from each one of these units. And again, you can click the listing info to pull up the MLS broker full. So that's it for this section of My Schedule. In the next one, I'll be showing you how to edit your showings and how to cancel them.